Hello guys, welcome back and let's hop right into it. I'll be doing the examples with the pink star and with the rest, and with the help of the pink star, I hope you can do the rest. Remember to write the name and the date in the top right hand corner, and let's begin. So the first page, we're going to learn something new. We're going to learn basically a little geometry. Geometry is basically just a bunch of shapes and lines and stuff. So a dot like this is called a point. Oh, also in this page, you're just writing down what it is basically. So if it's just like a dot, that's a point. If you see something like a long line that's going infinite, going on forever with these arrows at the end, that's called a line. If there's a point and one part going forever, infinite, this is called a ray. And if there's a line, but both sides have a point, that's called a segment or a line segment. So I'll be going through this with you. So these two, okay, it's a line with with a point on both sides. Therefore, it's not infinite. So that's a segment, a line segment. But these ones has arrows on both sides, so it's going infinite. It's going on forever. Therefore, this is a line. If one side is going infinite, but another is just a point, that's a ray. If it's just a point, it's just a point. If it's just a dot like that, it's a point. This one part's also going infinite, but one is just not infinite. A point basically. So that's a ray. And again, these have points on both sides, so this is a line segment, or just a segment. Okay, yeah, so I basically did the first page for you guys. Learn this part, geometry. Okay, reading time, a little review. So there is the long hand, which is the hour hand, and there is the shorthand, the hour hand. You read the shorthand first in hours, from 1 through 12. And for the minute hand, we'll read this from 0 through 59. Once it reaches 60, it goes back to 0. These little ticks represent 1 minute. However, if it touches exactly one of the numbers, that will be that number times 5 minutes. So when it reaches here, it's 5 minutes. If it reaches 3, that's 3 times 5, which is 15 minutes has passed. So in this example, let's look at the hour hand first. It's past 6, but it's not touching 7. Therefore, it's still 6. We put a colon, and then these two is going to represent the minutes. Yeah, okay. So the minute hand is exactly touching 6. So we get that number, and we multiply that by 5. So that's going to be 30. Therefore, the time right now is 6:30. Okay, but like if we do like this one, for example, since the minute hand isn't touching any of the number, we go to the nearest one, like, which is 9 times 5, which is 45, and the count 46, 47, 48. And then you can find the hour. Okay, perimeter is basically adding up the lengths and the widths of a border. It's usually length and width, and you add those together. For a rectangle, rectangles means that the length and the width are going to be the same. The longer side is always going to be the length, while the shorter side is always going to be the width. So this is saying a rectangle, 15 inches length and 12 inches width, like this. And then just add those together. 15 plus 15 equals 30. And then 12 plus 12 is 24. Therefore, 30 plus 24 is 54. So therefore, it's 54 inches square. Actually, yeah, just 54 inches. Squares for area. Anyways, moving on. A square is basically saying it's all even sides. A square, no matter what, will always have even lengths. Therefore, all sides are 14. You can do just 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14, or a quicker method is just doing 14 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16. That one going on top. 4 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Therefore, it's 66 inches, or I guess in this example, feet. Okay, word problems. So, Andrew makes some mini sandwiches. If he has 4 friends coming over and made 3 sandwiches for each one of them. His brother also wants 2 sandwiches, and Andrew made one for himself. So how many sandwiches did he make? So he has 4 friends coming over. So this represents 4 friends. And each of them are going to have 3 sandwiches, since he's saying he made 3 sandwiches for each of them. So that's going to be 4 times 3. Therefore, that's 12. He made 12 sandwiches so far for 4 of his friends. But his brother, which is another addition, wants 2 sandwiches. And we have to include Andrew, right? So that's another 1 person. And he made one for himself. So therefore, he made 2 sandwiches for his brother and another sandwich for himself. Therefore, 12 plus 2 is 14, plus 1, which is 15. Therefore, he made 15 sandwiches. I almost forgot how to spell sandwiches. Very great. That's so great. Okay, and that's it. This is your answer. Remember to write down the units, show your work, and good luck, guys. And it's okay if you don't understand all of this. Just try your best, guys. Good luck. Bye-bye.